Hi, this is Daniel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily blur your face or any other moving objects in Davinci Resolve. Okay, so first of all, we of course have to choose the video we would like to blur. In our case, let's say that I want to blur out my face. So I'm going to choose our video track that we want to blur, and I'm going to duplicate it firstly. So I'm going to hold Alt and drag this video to the video track about, just like this. Then I will select the upper video track and I will go towards the color tab. Here I want to click on this window icon and I will choose which kind of shape I want to blur. In my case, as I want to blur my face, I'm going to use circle. But in your case, for example, if you want to blur out your evidence number of your car or anything else, you can use the square, but it's working in the same way. So I'm going to click on circle, and as you can see, the circle appeared on my preview, and now I can simply fit this circle to my face, just like this. Now I'm going to make it a little bit narrower on the side, a little bit angled, just like this, and I'm going to fit it to my face. Okay, but as you could see in our original video, our face is actually moving, so we need to track our face during the video. So once again, in the color tab, I just need to adjust the circle once again. I will go towards this tracker icon and I will track this video forward and in reverse. Thanks what, it will simply track my face throughout all of the video and will adjust the circle accordingly. So now we got selected our face and it was tracked throughout all the length of the video. Now in case we want to use blur for our face, I can click here on the blur and then simply drag the radius to the top. And as you can see, our face is actually blurred, but it's not perfect. And in case I would like to play with more options, I can go towards the effect tab at the top right, and here I will choose the blur I want to use. So let's say I would like to pixelize my face. For this I'm going to use the mosaic blur and I'm going to drag this blur towards our node, just like this. And as you can see, it actually already blurred our face. Now I can play with the frequency, the size of the squares, or any other settings around, just like that. And voila, this is how you can easily blur any moving objects in Davinci Resolve in the seconds. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. Really hope you found that what you were looking for. Hope you are good and video fine. Thanks for watching and all the support, and see you all next time.